Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Azhar Ali, Assistant Professor, Electrical Engineering Department, Sarhad University, Peshawar. You welcome back to this studies. Till now, what we have done, let's call them first. For the course Numerical Analysis, in the previous lectures, we have done introduction to numerical analysis, introduction to errors in Lagrange interpolation formula. Now, next topic which we are going today is Newton divide difference interpolation formula, and this is the first lecture of second week. Dear students, Lagrange interpolation formula working for both equal and unequal space data, but Newton divide difference interpolation formula only working for unequal space data. Now, Newton divide difference interpolation formula given by P of x is equal to a naught plus a1 into x minus x naught plus a2 into x minus x naught into x minus x1 plus a3 into x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus a4 into x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3 plus and so on, where x0, x1, x2, x3 and so on are given points, and a0, a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on are called coefficients of interpolation formula. Now, Newton divided difference method for given 2 points. For the given 2 points, Newton divide difference formula will be if 1 of x is equal to a naught plus a1 into x minus x naught, where a naught is equal to f of x naught and a1 is equal to f of x1 minus f of x naught divided by x1 minus x naught, or a1 is equal to y1 minus y naught divided by x1 minus x naught. Dear students, note that when 2 points are given, then the polynomial will be linear, and for constructing the Newton divided difference interpolation polynomial, first of all we have to find the divide differences and the coefficients. The divided difference of a function f with respect to xi is denoted as f of xi, and it is called as zeroth divided difference, and is simply the value of the function f at xi. F of xi is equal to f of xi. Similarly, the divided difference of function f with respect to xi and xi plus 1 is called the first order difference, and is denoted by f of xi comma xi plus 1, and this divided difference of the function is given by f of xi comma xi plus 1 is equal to f of xi plus 1 minus f of xi divided by xi plus 1 minus xi, and the divided difference of the function f with respect to xi comma xi plus 1 comma xi plus 2 is called the second order difference, and is denoted by f of xi comma xi plus 1 comma xi plus 2, and is given by f of xi plus 1 comma xi plus 2 minus f of xi comma xi plus 1 divided by xi plus 2 minus xi. Similarly, the divide difference of function f with respect to xi, xi plus 1, xi plus 2 and xi plus 3 is called the third order difference and is given by f of xi plus 1 comma xi plus 2 comma xi plus 3 minus f of xi comma xi plus 1 comma xi plus 2 divided by xi plus 3 minus xi. The coefficients of Newton interpolation polynomial are f of x naught is equal to a naught and f of x naught comma x1 equal to a1, f of x naught comma x1 comma x2 is equal to a2, and f of x naught x1 x2 comma x3 is equal to a3. And the coefficient of this coefficients f of x naught comma x1 x2 comma x3 comma x4 is represented by a4 and so on. Now let's move on an example how to construct a Newton divided differences polynomial and how to construct the divided differences table. Here some points of x are given and these are the value of y. So first of all, to construct the divided differences table, these are the value of x and these are the value of y. This is zero order differences and this is the first order differences. How to find the first order differences, how to find the second order differences, how to find the third order differences, and how to find the fourth order differences. For the first order differences, the procedure is very simple. Subtract consecutive terms from this column and each consecutive terms from this column. Then divide the result of this subtraction and on the division of this, on the subtraction of these two terms. Like subtract this number from this number and this subtract 2 from 2.3 and then divide the difference of these two terms on the difference of these two terms, we get minus 0.3261. Similarly, subtract 0.75682 from 0.43126 and then subtract 2.3 from 2.6 and divide both differences, the difference of these two and the difference of these two, we get minus 1.08520. Now subtract 0.43126 from 0.22346 and then subtract 2.6 from 2.9 and then divide the difference of these two on the difference of these two, we get minus 0.69207. Similarly, subtract 0.22364 from 0.08567 and then subtract 2.9 from 3.2 and then divide the difference of these two onto the difference of these two, we get minus 0.45990. Now how to construct second order differences column. For second order differences column, subtract each consecutive numbers in this table and skip one number step by step. For example, subtract this number minus 0.32617 from minus 1.08520 and skip 2.3 and subtract 2 from 2.6, we get and then divide the difference of these two terms onto the difference of 2.0 from minus 2.6. Divide the difference of these two terms and the difference of 2 and 2.6, we get minus 1.26505. Now subtract this number from this number, and now skip 2.6 and subtract 2.3 from 2.9, and then divide the difference of these numbers and the difference of 2.3 2.9, we get 0.65522. Now subtract minus 0.69207 from minus 0.45990, and now skip 2.9 and subtract 2.6 from 3.2, and then divide the difference of these number on the difference of 2.6 and 3.2, we get 0.38695. Now how to construct the third order differences column? Subtract minus 1.26505 from 0.65522, and now in this column skip two numbers, 2.3 and 2.6, and subtract 2 from 2.9, and then divide the difference of these number on the difference of 2 and 2.9, we get 2.13363. now subtract 0.6552 from 0.38609, and now skip these two numbers and subtract 2.3 from 3.2, and then divide both results, we get minus 0.29808. Now how to construct the fourth differences column? The four differences. Subtract 2.13363 from minus 0.2980, and in this column skip these three numbers and subtract 2 from 3.2, and then divide both differences, we get minus 2.02642. now we need these coefficients. So using these coefficients, the fifth coefficients of the Newton interpolating polynomial are f of x naught, which is represented by a naught, and from the table this value is equal to 0.8467, and f of x naught comma x1 a1, which is equal to a1, and from the table we see that a1 is equal to minus 0.32617. so f of x naught x1 x2 is equal to a2, which is equal to minus 1.26505. Similarly, the coefficients f of x naught x1 x2 and x3 is equal to a3, which is equal to 2.13363 from the table. Similarly, the coefficients f of x naught x1 x2 x3 and x4 is equal to a4, which is equal to minus 2.02642. so now the Newton divided differences polynomial formula is equal to a naught plus a1 into x minus x naught plus a2 into x minus x naught into x minus x1 plus a3 into x minus x naught x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus a4 x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into x minus x3. From the table, putting the values of x naught, x1, x2 and x3, and putting the values of the coefficients from the previous slides, a naught, a2, a3, a4, we get p of x is equal to 0.85467. This is the value of a naught, minus a1, this is the value of a1, into x minus x naught, and this is the value of x naught from the table. So this is the value of a2 x minus x naught into x minus x1. This is the value of x naught, and this is the value of this is the value of x naught, and this is the value of x1. Similarly, x naught, a naught, a1, a2, and this is the value of a3. So a3 into x minus x naught, this is the value of x naught, this is the value of x1, and this is the value of x2, and this is the value of x4 into x minus x naught, x minus x1, x minus x2, and into x minus x3. This is the Newton divided interpolation polynomial. Now if we want to estimate the value of the function at x is equal to 2.8, suppose 2.8 lies in the interval, so this is interpolation. Now putting the value of x 2.8 to estimate the function at this value, we want to put the value of x 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8. Similarly, putting the value of x in this term 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, 2.8, and after simplifications we get the value of the function at x is equal to 2.8 is equal to 0.275. Now this is another example. For example, these are the value of x and these are the value of y. To find a polynomial and to estimate the polynomial at x is equal to 6, first of all, to construct the divided differences table. These are the 0 order differences, and these are the first order differences, these are the second order differences, these are the third order differences, and these are the fourth order differences. I want to repeat the procedure in this example again. To find the first order differences, subtract each consecutive terms from this column and subtract each consecutive term from this column, and then divide the difference, this difference divided by this difference. We get minus 32. For example, subtract minus 9 from minus 41 and subtract 1 from 2, and then divide the both differences. Difference of these two divided by difference of these two, we get minus 32. Now divide the difference of these two terms. Subtract minus 41 from minus 1.89, and then subtract 2 from 4, and then divide the difference of these numbers by the difference of these number, we get minus 0.4. Now subtract minus 189 from minus 9 and subtract 4 from 7, and then divide the difference by this difference, we get 66. Similarly, subtract 9 from 5 to 3 and subtract 7 from 8, and then divide the difference by this difference, we get 514. Now how to construct the second this is the first order differences and this is the second order differences. Now how to construct this column? Subtract each two consecutive terms from this column, but skip one number step by step for each difference. For example, subtract minus 32 from minus 74 and skip here this number, skip 2, and subtract 1 from 4, and then divide the difference of these numbers by the difference of 1 and 4, we get minus 14. Now subtract minus 74 from 76, and now skip this number and subtract 2 from 7, and then divide the difference of these number by the difference of 2 and 7, we get 28. Now subtract 66 from 514, and now here in this column skip 7 and subtract 4 from 8, and then divide the difference of these number by the difference of 4 and 8, we get 112. Now how to construct the third order differences? Subtract minus 14 from 28, and now skip in this column, skip two numbers in this column. So subtract 1 from 7 and then divide the difference of these numbers and the difference of 1 and 7, we get 7. Now subtract 28 from 1, 1, 2, and now skip 4 and 7 in this column and subtract 2 from 8 and then divide the difference of these number by the difference of 2, the difference of 2 and 8, we get 14. Now how to construct the fourth order differences. Subtract 7 from 14 and skip 3 numbers in this column. Skip 2, 4 and 7 and then subtract 1 from 8 and divide the difference of 7 and 14 by the difference of 1 and 8, we get 1. Dear students, this is the divided differences table, and you find the polynomial and estimate the polynomial at x is equal to 6, and this is the home task for you. Now this is the end of this segment, and inshallah in next lecture we will discuss the Newton forward differences formula and backward divide differences formula. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.